Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it and in this page you should scroll all the way down and in the about section you should just press on the second option, which is support. And now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in, and here you will be able to find help. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see basically the topics here, like account and verifications, euro deposit and withdrawals, and buy and sell, and all the others. You can just select any one of these, and after that you can further select a subtopic and basically a question here, or like another subtopic. And once you have done that, you can see here basically a description. In this case it's a pretty short description, and you can also press on yes or no to the question that says, was this article helpful? So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.